welcome to the next Ayurvedic video on Life of Swati YouTube channel. And today's video is really short, really simple, and you must know this one thing, that by rubbing mustard oil in your belly button after you have taken bath, by doing this procedure consistently, you will experience that the skin all over your body from your tip to your toe would start glowing. So Ayurveda says that if you rub mustard oil in your belly button after stepping out of the bathroom, I mean after you have freshened up, and if you rub mustard oil in your belly button, you'd see that the skin all over your body would start glowing. And this is like one of the best tips that nobody really tells you, because nobody really reads like I do, because there are really few scholars on YouTube. And anyways, so follow this remedy and thank me later. So thank me right now by liking this video, sharing this video with your friends, and by subscribing to Life of Swati YouTube channel. And I'll see you with the next video really soon. Bye guys.